This video will teach you exactly when to buy and sell using trend lines. Very powerful and very easy to use. Right now, there's actually a trade on GBP/JPY on the 1 hour. I'm seeing a buy higher with this trade. Let's see how it plays out. Let's go to the chart and I can teach you how to spot this out as easy as EBC. Yo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. TFE Precision Strategy. Let's go. And before we go anywhere, join the free group. The link's in my description and sign up the broker that I'm using. Let's go now. No, for real. Let's go. Traders, right now I'm on the chart on GBP/JPY and I'm actually seeing, like the one I showed you, I'm actually seeing a great opportunity for buys. So I'm going to teach you guys how I know when to buy and sell using a simple trend line, guys. A simple trend line. Once again, it's that easy. All you guys do is like this video, comment down below TV Precision, and then let's continue moving. The first step is to understand the trend. I can repeat this over and over, but the most important part is to identify a trend. Now, what trend, what time frame? I'm going to show you guys what time frame. But the first step is to know that there's two types of trends in the market that we're going to look at, right? It's an uptrend, which goes like a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's a basic thing, but it's such a basic, but so important because these turning points here are so important for us because that's a higher high. That's a higher high. What is this right here? On top, it's a higher high. So you see, in an uptrend, we're creating higher highs, but also we have higher lows. And where's the higher lows? You can see here, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we know that after we create a higher high, in the uptrend, we should get now a higher low, right? So we should get a higher low from here. Somewhere should be a higher low. Now, what I want you guys to understand is that the higher low is where you want to buy, right? So we buy at higher lows, at possible higher lows. Like so, this area, that's where we buy. That's where we buy. That's where we buy. That's where we buy. But with a trend line, you're able to see, okay, is it ready to buy or not? With a trend line, you will know, is it a possible higher low? You can actually see where is a place to buy. Now, how do you know? It's simple. In a uptrend, you need two higher highs, which I'm going to draw for you guys. Let me draw it out for you guys. Let me draw it for you guys, okay? It's this simple. In a uptrend, we need two higher highs. So one and a higher low, two. There, we need two high highs, right? And two higher lows. So let's do this now, right? That's one high high, it's two high highs. So I said two high highs and two higher lows. You can see two higher lows. Now, on the third higher high, we're going to start thinking to ourselves, where is the next higher low? And I'm going to wait for market to pull back. As soon as the market starts pulling back, okay? Before even the market pulls back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a trend line, okay? So this line like this is called a trend line right there. Trend line, I can make it a little bigger for you guys just to identify for you guys. And then make it green, right? And I'm going to connect the trend line from swing points. Now, what is a swing point? From my turning point. So from point 1 to point 2 like that, and I put it into future. Not cutting into weeks. I will show you guys on the chart. And I simply wait for market to come back to the trend line, touch the trend line. When the market comes back to trend line, so it will look like this. Market comes back down to the trend line. When it touches the trend line, at this area, it's a place for me to buy. So this is where I'm looking to buy, guys, at the touch of a trend line. Now, with that being said, guys, let me show you an example on the chart right now. Let me show you. Now, I know right now it will see a little bit. Okay, Shaquille, like I don't see what you're seeing right now, but show me. And this is live market right now. I actually took this trade. Right now, I actually took this trade to show you guys, just an example, how you do this. As you see the idea, I've taken the trade, live markets. You see how, and there we go, of course. Now, with that being said, guys, let me show you what I did, right? This is an example. Of course, I must manage my trade. It's another day for another video for another day. If you guys want to know how to manage your trade using trend lines, just comment down how to manage trades with trend lines. Comment down below what you need, and your mentor here, Shakil Sarmai from TFE, will take care of you guys. But join the free group, guys. The link's in the description, and trade with the base broker as well. Now, with that being said, guys, how do you identify it? So you see, what I then did is I simply, right, go to this trend line, and I say, okay, where the turning point is, where market stops like that, goes up,
I said, okay, cool. Market went up from there. What I will do is, like, for example, like this, from here up, down, up. You see? Can you see that? So I can see that. Okay, really, what I can see is that we have if I can put this away for you guys, take the chart off the candlesticks away for you guys. You can see what I'm talking about. Let's do this. High. Look at that. It's not the best, but look, it's going high, higher low, high, higher low. We have two higher lows. You see, look here, look here. There's a higher high, there's a higher high, there's a higher low, higher low. Two higher highs and two higher lows. Once you have that, you have a nice uptrend. Now you're going to identify where to draw your trend line. And you draw your trend line at the bottom. Here at the bottom. You're going to draw it here. At the higher low. At the higher low. And you see what I did? I drew it on my wicks. On the wicks. Which is this lines. I drew it on the wicks. So look at it. I drew it on the wicks. So if you look nicely, right here. Okay? Right there. Check there. Right there. You see, so I took it, what I did, I just took a trend line. I said, okay, cool. Maybe I can start here. But nah, that thing went on both. Nah, it doesn't make sense. I should move it to the most latest one right here. I said, okay, now that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That makes sense. You see what I'm focusing on? I'm focusing on turning point 1 and turning point 2 right here. Oh, that's too big. That's too big. Turning point 2 right here. Now I'm like, okay, cool. What do I need? I just told you, what do I need? I need a third touch to look for the buy. And simple, I'm looking for a third touch down to look for the buy. Makes sense? So let's see. So market comes back down. That is your point. When market comes down to touch this trend line, right? When market's touching the trend line, you want to get in for the buy. That's exactly what you do. As you can see right there, market touch the trend. This is a late entry though. This is a late entry. I should have got in around there, like that. And that should be my take profit already. It is an entry, but I can still take it to the highs, you know, so I can still take it up higher. I can still take it up higher. And that's how you trade with a trend line. It's that easy. Now, of course, guys, take profits is another story. Stop loss is another story. Managing risk is another story. If you guys want to learn all these things, join the free group. And I'm hosting an in-person and online course. So if you want to learn my personal strategy, my VIP strategy, the precision strategy, you want to learn and a mentorship where live trade, I'll be sending my setups out. I'll be mentoring you. You can join me in my office at Cape Town if you're in Cape Town. Or you can join me online, like a live stream, and I'll stream my trades. I'll mentor you. I'll teach you a whole course. Message me down below in the description for either the TFE Mastermind, which is the full package, which includes live training, mentorship, a course, and a full month of mentorship with me. Or you can do the 5-day course with me. Just read in the description more about it, or join the copy trading as well. That's also in the description. Trade with the best broker. All the good stuff, guys. All in the description down below in this video. Now, with that being said, guys, let's go on to the next step, which is going to be now how to do it with a downtrend. Okay, guys, let's go on to that part. How to do it with a downtrend. Now, I need to find an example for you guys, right? Look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at this. There was another example. Yes, look at this one. There was a nice, beautiful trend uptrend. Look at this one. This one is so clean. Oh, my word. See that? See that? Check this out. Look there. So clean. Oh my word. And even if I move up towards here now, there was another one, right? You know, and it breaks. But that's a break. Even if you guys don't know break of trend line, I'll teach you guys break of trend line. But I need to get one for a downtrend for you guys, right? Show you guys how to do it in a downtrend. Just so you guys know for future reference, you know, how to actually do this. Here's an example. Here's an example. Okay. Here's an example. As you guys see what's happening with this trend, this is an example of a downtrend. Market goes down, lower high. Now in a downtrend, let's write this down first, right? We have lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a lower high. So we need 2 lower highs and 2 lower lows. So where's the lower highs and lower lows? This on top right here is a lower high. That's a lower high. The one at the bottom right here is a lower low. So we need 2 lower highs and 2 lower lows. Makes sense. And that's when we're going to look, that's when it's a downtrend and we're going to draw a trend line. So where do we draw the trend line? We draw the trend line on where? From the lower high to the next lower high. And on the third touch on there, we want to look for a sell lower. That's what I'm talking about. That easy. It's that easy, traders. Once again, guys, if you're liking this video, like, and subscribe. Now, with that being said, guys, let's show you. Then I'm going to show you just an easy example. So easy peasy for you guys, okay? Let's do this. Here's an example. Is the first trend line. All right, okay, that's the first trend line. We have inner trend lines. There's so much to learn for you guys. There's a trend line there, okay? So that's the most latest trend line for you guys, like that, okay? So now I'm like, okay, cool. Trend line touch. When the market uses a trend line touch, that's when, look, oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. One touch, second touch. That's your entry. That's your entry. That's where you enter in. You're supposed to enter on the trend line touch, right? Stops where I'll teach you guys if you comment down below. And I mean, 1 to 2 events, you know, 1 to 2, don't be greedy. That should take, finish. Understand? And yes, trend lines will be broken. Trend lines will be broken. But the case is, that's the trend. That's the trend. You can see that's the trend. There you go. That's the trend. That's the trend. So, you know, okay, if this trend line is broken, the trend has changed. You understand? There we go. Trend has changed. But now, that is what I'll teach you guys as well. This is what I want to teach you guys. How to get in for the buys as well if the market breaks a trend line. So I need you guys to comment down below if you want to learn this. That's a break, retest, and how to trade the break of a trend line. Comment down below and I'll teach you guys. But with that being said, guys, it's that easy. It's that simple. Using trend lines can be so easy to tell you when to buy and sell. Just know whether in an uptrend or downtrend. So the time frames to use it on, the best time frames to use a trend line on, for me personally, is a 1 hour, 50 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute. Now, the best one, the one I mainly use it on, right, is probably the 5 minute, 50 minute. That's the time frames I mainly use it on. With that being said, guys, let's check this trade right now. And let's see what's happening right here. There's a trade happening right here right now. I want to see if this is going to continue going higher. As you can see, potentially continuing higher. It really spiked up. It really went up from this trend line quite a bit right from here, really, like that, you know, to push it towards them. With that being said, guys, peace, love, happiness, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video from your mentor Shakil my TFE. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. And also, with that being said, join the free community in the description. Message me if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, or you want to do maybe a course with me. You want to come to my office, feel free in Cape Town. Talk to me down below in the description. And if you guys want to do copy trade, you link account to my account, or whatever trades I take on my side or copy on your side, it's in the description. Everything's in the description in Germans. Whatever said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Your mentor Shakil sign out.